Thank you.
First one is waterfall model. Okay.
Yeah.
Waterfall model. So in the SDLC, we have some requirements, right? Requirement, space, okay? Requirement, then
Analysis.
analysis.
Coding. Oh no,
Yeah,
sorry, design. Design.
Yeah.
Then coding.
Yeah.
Then test plan.
Yeah.
And I think the last one is deployment.
Testing.
Coding, testing. Delivery.
So these are the phases are available, right, in SDLC. So you follow waterfall methodology, in your project. So first, requirement phase,
Yeah.
In the requirement phase, first gather some requirements, For example, it will take 1 month,
Yeah.
1 month. 1 minute, much more. Give me 1 minute.
Okay.
Yeah. So we follow the waterfall methodology now. So in the SDLC, these are the phases available, right? Requirement analysis, design, coding, testing. No? So in the waterfall methodology, first to gather the requirements. Okay.
Yeah.
So for example, it will take 1 month time. Okay. For example, 1 month or 2 months. Okay. Okay. 2 months time to gather the requirement. For analysis, no? Analysis 1 month time to analysis. Okay.
Yeah.
1 month time. Then design. Okay. Develop the UML diagrams like that. The design, it will take 1 month. Okay. 1 month. Coding. So it will take some time, 2 months like that. Okay. Okay. For testing, okay, 1 month. Delivery and delivery like some 10 days, 1 month, like, okay. Yeah, okay, and maintenance.
Yeah.
So okay, what
Yeah.
requirement now, it will take 2 months time, then only we perform the analysis. Okay.
Yeah.
Then only we can move to the design. Okay.
Yeah.
Waterfall model. Okay.
Yeah.
Step by step. Okay.
Yeah.
Not possible to pack. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So first you gather the requirement, then only you perform the analysis. Without requirement, it is not possible to gather, perform the analysis, right?
Yeah.
So waterfall model, one-way model. Okay. First requirement, then only analysis, then only design, then only coding, like that. Okay. This is
Yeah.
a one-way. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
This is the, you follow like this. Now this is a waterfall model. Okay.
Yeah.
Advantages for this one, now very small projects. So, small project, this is suitable, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Very small project, now this is suitable. Bigger projects now is not feasible, right? So requirement now 2 months now. If any change after 2 months, perform the analysis, right? Any change on this requirement now is not possible, right? This is only one-way traffic, right?
Yeah.
One way, right? Not possible to change the requirement at middle, right? So
Yeah.
time consuming process, right? So if this is a 2 months time. Okay. But analysis space now master should be wait 2 months, right? Otherwise you don't get any requirement, right? The time consuming process, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Disadvantages. Okay. Main time consuming process. And second one, okay,
Yeah.
not possible to change
Yeah.
requirement at, not, yeah, requirement is not possible to change at middle. Okay.
Yeah.
This is the main disadvantages, and advantages is it's very suitable for
Suitable.
small project. A small project now, just you gather the requirement and
Yeah.
analysis those requirement and coding
design.
and developing, that's it.
Yeah.
And maintenance, that's it. Okay.
Yeah.
So you follow the waterfall model now, functionality is good, right? See,
Yeah.
so first you gather the requirements 2 months, right? Okay, then only you perform the analysis. Now there is no disturbance, right?
Yeah.
So straightforward, you can gather the requirement, perform analysis, coding, design, testing. Now then only like that. Now so there is no communication, means there is no functionality gap. So
Yeah.
functionality gap is good in the waterfall model.
Yeah.
But okay, coming to this is the waterfall model. So in the organization, no one using this model. Why? This is a
Yeah.
time consuming process and not possible to for a bigger projects now. So
Yeah.
this is not suitable
For
for
the big projects.
bigger projects. Yeah. So industry don't follow this. Okay.
Yeah.
Model. Okay. Spiral model. Okay. Spiral. Then next one is spiral model. Spiral model now. So Okay, so here this is the requirement space. Okay, this is requirement space.
Yeah.
This is the analysis. Okay, this is a design.
Design.
Okay, design, coding.
Coding.
Okay,
Testing.
testing, and delivery.
Delivery.
Okay, again, and maintenance normally again
Yeah. Requirement.
requirement analysis design. Okay, first
Yeah.
start from here. Okay,
Yeah.
first gather the few requirements, not all requirements, just gather the few requirements. Okay,
Yeah.
okay, then those requirement we pass
Analyze.
to analysis team. Those analysis na we design the documentation like that. Okay, then we develop the code.
Yeah.
And test the
Testing.
application, and everything is fine.
Yeah.
Deliver
Then
that product to client.
client.
Okay,
Yeah.
this is the delivery. Okay, again gather the few more requirements. Okay,
Yeah.
then analysis those
Analysis.
requirements.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
then we
Design.
and
Coding. Testing.
testing,
Delivery.
and deliver.
Yeah.
Again few more requirements.
Yeah.
Okay,
Mhm.
like that spiral, right?
Yeah.
Spiral, you remember now? Spiral.
Yeah.
This way you can rotate on. Okay,
Yeah.
rotate. So gather the requirement analysis, again gather the requirement analysis, design, coding, testing, delivery, again gather the requirement, like that.
Yeah.
Okay,
Like that.
so yeah, this is the spiral model. This type of model is a spiral model.
Spiral.
Okay,
Yeah.
so advantages na.
Yeah.
This is suitable for big projects, right? So
Yeah.
obviously any big project na, this is suitable, right? Okay.
Yeah. They can change, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Suitable for bigger projects. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. But this is not suitable for small
Small
projects, right?
project. Yeah.
Very small projects na, we only gather the requirement, analysis, development, design, that's it. That enough.
Yeah.
Again, we gather the requirement. So advantages, disadvantages na.
Yeah. They will be spending more money, right? For
Money. So
for small project.
projects not work out.
Yeah.
Small projects not good. Okay, this is a
Yeah.
but advantages. Yeah, coming to disadvantages na.
Yeah.
Requirement change is possibility is there, right?
Yeah.
But risk is there. So you take the some requirement, you send analysis space. After analysis, you change the requirement na. This
Yeah.
effort will waste, right?
Waste.
Okay,
That is true.
possibility is there.
Yeah.
Possibility is there, but some time is also waste. Okay,
Yeah.
require change. Okay, requirement change is possibility is there in this. Okay,
Yeah.
model. Okay. Okay, this is the spiral model. Okay,
Yeah.
third one, V model. Okay, V model. Third one. Okay,
Yeah.
V. Okay. So this is a V model. Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah. This is the requirement space. Analysis. Design. Okay.
Yeah.
Coding. So see, this is the requirement space, right? In
Yeah.
the requirement space, okay, tester, okay, prepare test plan, test document, like that. Involve. Tester involve at the time of requirement space only. So tester involve at the time of requirement. See, you observe here when tester involve only this space,
After
right?
coding, yeah.
But here now, but in the V model, tester involve at the requirement phase. So gathering the requirement, we prepare a test plan, test document, those things. Okay.
Yeah.
After perform the analysis now,
Yeah.
okay, he write a test creation.
Yeah.
Tester do test creation. At the development now, after development complete now, after development complete, coding complete now, actually test execution.
Yeah.
Got it right?
Yes.
So in the requirement way, we develop the documentation preparation. That's it. After in the analysis phase now, we test creation, writing the test cases.
Yeah.
Okay. Once the development and coding is done, okay, we execute those test cases and log the bugs. Everything is normally okay.
Yeah.
This this type of model is a view model.
So it looks like the developer and the tester, they're working like as a parallelly, right?
Yeah.
Because they gathered the requirements. Yeah.
That is the main advantage with the V model.
Okay.
Okay. That is the V model. Okay.
Yeah.
But someone called this is a verification and VV
Validation.
model. Someone called V model. This is a V model. Someone called VV model. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. That is the main advantage with V model. Okay, tester involved at the time of development. Okay, parallelly working. Okay.
Is this one is very popular?
This one is popular, but disadvantage is there. Okay. Verification. Validation. So someone called this is a V model, someone called this is a VV model. Okay. VV means verification and validation model. Verification and validation. Okay.
Yeah.
Validation means we actually test the application, right? Testing, development, everything is in the okay.
Yeah.
Validation. Verification okay. So this is the requirement, right?
Yeah.
This is the requirement space, right? So verification team is there. Verification team. So they observe these persons are following guidelines or not as per industry standard. Gather the requirements or not.
Yeah.
Just we verify. Separate team is there. They are verify the these people
requirements.
This information.
Yeah.
In the requirement space, verification team will verify. So those people gather the requirement as per industry. So everything is looks good or not. Those things we can verify. So the analysis space now. So those people are develop the document as per standards or not. Okay. The
Yeah.
delivery now. So we are following the process or not in the coding now. So
Yeah. The validate
the
the.
coding standards following or not. Okay,
Okay.
those test now. So as
Execution.
per the test distribution, okay, yeah, test distribution as per the standards are not like that. So separate verification team is there. So
Mhm.
this team just verify those processes. That's it. Actually work, validation team actually do work, but verification team just to follow the process or not.
Process
That's
of,
it.
yeah.
Don't do that work. Just to supervisor.
Yeah.
Okay, just
Supervisor.
observe observe
Policies.
their code.
Code.
Yeah,
Okay.
policies, those.
Yeah.
Okay, this is called a verification. So this is called a verification validation team. Okay,
Yeah.
someone verification validation model. Someone called V model, someone called VV model, V verification and validation model. Okay, okay. Now,
Yeah.
main advantages tell me na. Tester involved.
At the beginning. Yeah.
At the beginning. Okay.
Yeah.
Tester involved at the beginning. Okay. Parallelly going testing and as well as development. That is
Yeah.
the main advantage. Okay.
Yeah.
Disadvantage now. So you observe, right? Two
Yeah.
teams are there, right? One is verification team, another one is validation team.
Costly.
Okay.
Yeah.
So costly. It's very costly. Okay. Disadvantage is very costly. Okay. Very high budget na verification, but process is very good, right?
Yeah.
So every space we verification team is there. So everything is looks good, but cost wise now it's very costly project. This one.
Yeah.
Okay, that is the only one disadvantage. Okay, everything is good. Okay, costly project. Okay,
Yeah.
this is not one more not suitable for
Small budget.
small projects.
Small project. Yeah.
Not possible, right?
Yeah.
So
No.
is it not possible for small projects? Bigger projects is it suitable, right?
Yeah.
This is the advantages and disadvantages. Okay. So someone follow this process also, V model. Okay.
Yeah.
And last one is Agile methodology. This is the now many clients using Agile methodology. Now, okay.
Yeah.
This is the popular one. Now, all clients using this methodology. Okay.
Agile.
Methodology.
Okay.
Agile. Okay. In the Agile methodology, so many ways are there, but in the sprint, okay,
Yeah.
sprint methodology, in the Agile methodology, sprint planning, sprint methodology, like that, right?
Yeah.
Sprint methodology. Okay, in the Agile, this is a follow the sprint planning, sprint methodology. Okay, so here somewhat different. Okay, first sprint planning means 2 weeks, only 2 weeks or 3 weeks, 2 or 3 weeks, one sprint. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, 2 to 3 weeks, one sprint, for example. Okay.
Yeah.
But delivery is there, right? So in the Gmail, for example, Gmail is there. Okay.
Yeah.
Gmail registration, one functionality is there. Okay, first sign up. Sign up. That is the one thing. Okay. Then this is one, and sign up process and login. Okay.
Yeah.
Login. Compose mail. Okay. Compose mail. Spam mail. Draft mail. Okay. And Google Meet, Google Calendar. These many features are there, right, in the Gmail.
Yeah.
Sign up. We sign up now. We log in that model and compose a mail, spam the mail. Okay, draft a mail.
Yeah.
Okay, we can schedule a meeting also from Google, and the Google Calendar is there. Okay,
Yeah.
so many features are there, right?
Yeah.
Okay. 1 minute, Masuma.
Okay.
Yeah. Hi, Ms. Lima. Okay.
Hi.
Yeah, these are the features available, right?
Yeah.
So in the requirement space, these are the requirements. As of now, client have these many requirements. Need to develop these requirements. Okay, and you need to test these requirements. Okay, we are following agile methodology. Okay, So in the we are following sprint, in the agile methodology we are following sprint methodology. Okay.
Yes.
So okay. So 2 weeks one sprint and release for 1 month.
1 month.
This is the standards. For example, someone 3 weeks, someone 2 months release, like that. Okay. As
Okay.
of now, for example, every 2 weeks is a one sprint and every release is a 1 month.
Yeah.
Okay. This is our company following like this. Some companies 3 weeks one sprint and release every 2 months or 3 months, like that.
Yeah.
Okay. Based on the company's
Requirements. Yeah.
As per my my company policy, we are following 2 weeks one sprint and every release is 1 month. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So in the release, no. Okay.
Yeah.
In the current release, we focus on only sign up and login.
Okay.
In the release. Okay.
Yeah.
These two under release 1. Okay.
Okay.
Release 1. Under release 1, na, sign up and
login.
Sign up and login. Okay.
Yeah.
1 month, right? In the release is 1 month, right? So
Yeah.
to develop these two features, okay, it will take 1 month. Within a month, you can develop and testing and everything is done by within 2 months. 1 month.
1 month.
1 month.
Yeah.
Okay. 1 month is started. Okay.
Yeah.
1 month is started. 1 month means how many days? 30 days, right?
Yeah.
30 days. Okay. We are following sprint, right? Sprint
Yeah.
means 2 weeks, right? 2 weeks. 2
2
weeks. 2 weeks means 1 month, right?
Yeah.
2 weeks. 2 weeks. Okay.
Yeah.
Means how many sprints are there?
2
sprints
sprints.
are there.
Yeah.
Got it, na?
Yeah.
Two sprints are there. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
So here 1 sprint, this one.
Yeah.
Okay. In another sprint, na?
Yeah.
Another sprint. This is the 1 sprint. Okay.
Yeah.
One sprint sign up and another sprint login. Okay.
Yeah.
In the sprint now, so developer already requirement is there, right? So
Yeah.
based on the requirement, developer develop the coding.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. And tester
Testing.
writing.
Mm-hmm.
No, writing test cases.
Oh,
As
sorry.
of now, no coding is not okay.
Okay,
Writing
yeah.
test cases.
Mm-hmm.
As of now, no development, right? Still
Yeah.
coding is ongoing and the testing is ongoing. So
Yeah.
developer develop the code and parallelly tester writing the test cases.
Yeah.
Analysis and okay, have any question we can ask to like that. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Tester writing the test case. Okay.
Yeah.
In the 1 week is done. 2 weeks,
Yeah.
right? In the sprint, 2 weeks, right? 1 week developer develop the code and tester testing the test case,
Testing,
writing the
test
test
case.
case.
Okay.
Another week now,
Yeah.
another week developer develop the code and push to given code to given build to QA. So
Mhm.
QA execute test
Execute the
cases.
Test cases.
Execute the test cases. You found any bug, now log the bug.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mhm.
Log the bug. Okay. Another sprint is there, right? Another
Yeah.
sprint. Now this is the login, right?
Yeah.
So again, developer start the coding and testers write the test cases. And
Test cases.
previous bugs are there, right? Previous
Yeah.
bugs are right. So
Mhm.
in this sprint, developer fix those bugs.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
After 2 weeks complete, and now everything is done, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Sign up and login is done. Coding is done. Testing is done. Everything is done. No open bugs. Okay. No open bugs means no issues, right?
No issues. Yeah.
1 month complete, na?
You release
Okay.
it. Yeah.
Client release to this build release to
Product owner. Yeah.
okay.
Mhm.
So as of now, Gmail is there, the prod is there. How many features are there? Only sign up and login.
Yeah.
After 1 month, only 2 features available.
Yeah.
sign up and login. Okay.
Yeah.
End user sign up and login, everything is working fine. Okay.
Yeah.
After 1 month, so again take 1 month. Okay.
Yeah.
This is these two features again take 1 month. Same coding, same testing, delivery, maintenance. Okay.
Yeah.
Then after 1 month now, how many features available in the prod?
Now 4.
4. Okay.
Yeah. Mhm.
Okay.
Yeah.
2 releases is done.
Yeah.
Third release.
Yeah.
Release third. Release 3. This is the release 3. This is the release 2. Okay.
Yeah.
The release 3 now, how many features are there? 2 features.
2
Now
features.
after releasing 3, third release now, how many features are there? Total
6.
6. Okay. Again, see, keep on going on. Keep on
Yeah.
going. This one. Release
Mhm.
4. So new features is came. Release 4.
Yeah.
Release 4. Gmail calendar, Gmail, some new features. Keep on going this thing. Okay.
Yeah.
This is the got it right.
Yeah, I got it.
This is the sprint. So main advantage is no client have a every month one release there. So client have a every month new features is
The
came
features.
right.
Yeah. Yeah.
New every month. So new features came into prod. Okay. That
Mhm.
is the main advantage, right? Very clear, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
it is. Mhm.
Client perspective.
Mhm.
Okay. If for example, I develop this sign up
Yeah.
after few days, the requirement change now is
Yeah.
very easy, right? To change the requirement at any time. Here,
Yeah.
very 1 week, right? Only 1 week time. That's it, right?
Yeah.
If any change now, there is no much impact, right? Only 1 week of time waste. That's it. Okay.
Yeah.
This is a okay like this. We can. This is the agile methodology. Okay. In this
Yeah.
now, this before starting. This is a before starting sprint. Now we have a sprint planning
Planning.
meeting is there. Okay. In the
Mhm.
current sprint, what we do, what is the our priority for the current sprint? See,
Yeah.
this is the total release there. But first sprint, this one or this one, what is your priority, right? So
Mm.
in the release, master should be go this two. But our current sprint now, which one is I can develop? This one
Yeah.
or this one? Like that, we can decide. Okay, in this
Yeah.
meeting. Okay, what is our
Previous, like a
current task?
backlog. Yeah.
Backlog. What is our backlog? Anything backlog. So you are going to sprint two, but still spending. So that is under backlog. So in the sprint planning, okay,
Mhm.
sprint backlog is important. Sprint work is important. Based on that, you can start the work, right?
Yeah.
So finally, everything go to prod, but priority is important. First, which one is I can do?
Yeah.
We can discuss on the sprint meeting. What is our current duties? What is our next duties? Okay,
Yeah.
sprint planning. Okay. Uh,
So how often normally have this sprint planning meeting? Every week or
every 2 weeks.
every two
Every 2
weeks?
weeks one sprint, right?
Okay.
Every 2 weeks one sprint, right? So
Yeah.
every 2 weeks sprint planning meeting is there.
Okay.
Okay.
Good. Thank you.
Daily stand up now. Daily
Yeah.
stand up, right?
Yeah.
So every day you stand up is there. Every day.
Yeah.
So every day stand up is there. So you are working on sign up, right?
Yeah.
You have any question in the sign up, you can
Yeah.
ask on stand up. Okay. For example, you need a DB related issue. Okay. So you can ask. So I don't have access to DB for the sign up model. Please provide a. So in the sprint daily stand up now, everyone is there.
Yeah.
Developer are there, tester is there, and your business analyst is there, product owner, everyone is available on the daily stand up.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mhm.
So you have any struck or you need any help now, you can ask on the daily stand-up. Okay.
Yeah.
In the daily stand-up now, main intention to what is current task, any pending, any need help, okay,
Yeah.
from any other one, you can discuss in the daily stand-up. Okay. So sprint planning, sprint is there, and so developer develop these two features, right?
Yeah.
Must and should be provided demo, right? Without demo, we don't know the functionality, right?
Yeah.
Tester or any other end user, without providing some basic knowledge, you don't have any knowledge, right? So
Yeah.
after completing the sprint like that, we provide it in demo. Okay, that is a sprint demo. After completing those development, they will providing a demo. Okay.
Yeah.
That is a sprint demo meeting. Sprint retro. No, sprint retrospective meeting means this is the one sprint, right? Okay, this is the one release, right? This
Yeah.
is the release, right?
Yeah.
In the release, you are facing any difficulties. In the current release, you face any difficulties in the current release, now you can raise a question.
Okay.
For example, these two features need to test. Dev team not providing a QA build. Okay.
Yeah.
Without QA build, we don't perform testing, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So you can ask. So dev team providing QA build, not providing a QA build on time. You can simply raise a query in this meeting, sprint retrospective meeting. In the sprint retrospective meeting, everyone is there. So
any obstruction,
question,
right? Any difficulties? Yeah.
Any difficulties? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
You pressure any, you face any pressure in the current sprint.
Yeah.
Okay, you can ask why you pressure. Those sign up process is there. Na? Requirement is not clear. For sign up process is there. Requirement is not clear. Who is responsibility? Some other team is there, right? Documentation team, someone team is there, right? So, so document is not clear. So please work on that area. You can ask, na, BA people are there, product owner is there, right?
Yeah.
So you have any question now?
Yeah.
That person will ask to respective guy.
Yeah.
In the next release, we don't repeat those mistakes in the next releases.
That is only for the current release.
Got it, right?
Yeah.
Sprint owner, you facing any difficulties, you can discuss based on your discussion. Product owner is there, product manager is there, everyone is there. So we take those inputs and communicate to correspondent team and resolve those issues in the next release. Got it, right?
Yeah.
This is the sprint retrospective meeting. Okay.
Yeah.
So many meetings are there. As of now, these are the major meetings.
Yeah.
Sprint planning, daily stand-up, sprint demo, sprint retrospective.
Mm-hmm.
These are the mainly
meeting.
In every in any sprint, in any agile methodology, must should be this many meetings is required. Okay. Yeah. Daily stand-up is there. Must should be daily stand-up is required. Sprint demo is there. Sprint retrospective meeting is there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you got it, right?
Yeah, I got it.
No advantages, na? Okay.
Yeah.
Change requirement at any time.
Yeah.
Change requirement at any time. No issue. Okay. And so disadvantage, na? Okay. Some disadvantages also there. Right? So to follow these many meetings, right? And you follow these many releases, right?
Yeah.
And follow these many sprints, right? So management is somewhat difficult, right?
Yeah.
Management means meeting scheduling, sprint planning, sprint. So management.
Team management. Yeah.
Somewhat difficult, right?
Yeah. What about time consuming? Because it looks like it's gonna take time, right?
No.
No.
Time consuming means very only 2 weeks, right? In the every one spent is 2 weeks, now. No time consuming, right?
Yeah. That's true.
But in the above now 1 month, 2 months, right? So
Yeah.
this is a time consuming process. If any change now, that entire 1 month, 2 months loss. But here only 1 week. That's it. 2 weeks.
That's it.
Maximum 2 to 3 weeks. That's it. Sprint. Maximum every release 1 month or 2 months. Maximum 3 months.
Yeah.
Not 4 months, 5 months. Every release must and should be every 1 month or otherwise 2 months. Otherwise 3 months. That's it. Not 4 months, 5 months. Okay. Don't accept. Sprint agile methodology very, very short time. Okay. And this sprint also maximum 2 weeks. Okay. Max 3 weeks, not 4 weeks.
Yeah.
Okay. Every 2 weeks, one sprint. Otherwise 3 weeks, one sprint. That's it. Not 4 weeks, one sprint. Okay. Very shorter. Okay. Time consuming, not that much time consuming. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So team management somewhat difficult. So they are following some tools. Okay.
Tools.
Jira. Okay. Following tools. Jira board. Some other is there. Okay. They are following some tools. Okay. Management following tools.
Azure DevOps, they do for okay. Jira.
Yeah. But here now creating a task to closing the task, you are following Jira. Okay. I will explain later. Okay.
Okay.
You understand that this is the agile methodology.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So everyone following agile methodology.
This is the most popular agile.
Yeah. Agile methodology is the most popular.
Okay.
In the organization, 100 members are there. 80-90% following agile methodology. So remaining methodology is following 10%.
Oh, good.
In the document also there, you can, okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Read those documents.
Yeah, I will. Yeah.
Okay, tomorrow is available, right?
Yeah. Thank you.
Oh, yeah, we will connect tomorrow.
Banket. Biplop told me he needs to talk to you. Would you be able to talk to him now so I can call him?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Just hold on.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Hey, Venkat.
Hi, Biplop.
Yeah, how is it? Good?
Yeah, good, Biplop.